How's it going, everyone? It's Mike from PC Classic Cars, back with another virtual description. Today we are going to talk about my 1971 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. This is a vehicle I bought from a kind of an older gentleman out of California. He had it for a while, but was not the one that put the car together. Again, came from the West Coast. Before that, it was in Pennsylvania, and backstory on that, I don't have a whole lot. It is a good running and driving car. Mechanically, it has a non-original 350. It was sold to me as a crate motor from Summit, but I do not have a receipt, and I was not able to find a tag on the side of the motor, so I do not know if it's actually a crate motor, but everything shows to be a crate motor. It's got the center bolt heads. It runs extremely well, and it is a very strong running Corvette. Backed by the Turbo 400 3-speed automatic transmission, and then you have your standard power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, and then you do have an aluminum radiator, so it stays nice and cool. On your exhaust system, you do have stock-style set of manifolds. It is full dual exhaust. It's a stock-style replacement muffler, full tailpipes and tips. And it is, again, a good driving Corvette. Nothing crazy high performance, but it goes down the road really, really well. Take a look at my test drive video. You'll see me personally driving it down the road. We'll dive more into the mechanicals during that video. But again, to reiterate, it is a strong running Corvette. On my does it work section, a couple really small things are not working properly. The washer fluid sprayers do not work, and then the heater core has shutoff valves on it, so I do not know the condition of the heater core. Take a look at my does it work section. It is posted on my website in multiple places. It's going to be at the end of the photos. It'll also be in the additional informations tab on my website, again, pcclassiccars.com. During my normal pre-inspection, where I check for leaks, I check for wear items. This one looks like it's got newer shocks all the way around. The rear leaf spring bushings do have a little bit of age to them. The front ball joints have been replaced. Same thing with the boots. The passenger side sway bar end link does have some cracking in it as well. And then the rear differential does have a little bit of a drip to it. Just really minor stuff. The engine oil, the transmission fluid, the brake fluid, all that stuff checks out good. So just, again, a couple little miscellaneous disclaimers there, but nothing that needs to be attended to. The steering, the suspension, all that stuff does check out well. On the exterior, it's got a really nice orange paint job. I don't know exactly when it was done. It's got your little flaws, a couple little hairline cracks that have been touched up in the paint. The biggest thing is the rear deck panel. This was a rear luggage rack Corvette, and now it has like the little body plugs that are in there that are painted orange to match the car. You've got your 15-inch rally wheels with a 225 70-inch tire all the way around it. Take a look at the additional informations tab. It's going to outline all of the flaws all the way around the car. Nothing that is egregious. The paint does show well, but probably a little bit older. Same thing with the white convertible top. It is a manual top. The top has a little bit of discoloration due to the fact that it is white. It was probably white the day it came new out of the box, but then after that you get a little bit of yellowing to it. And then the back glass itself has some hazy spots in it, but overall still the top is in nice shape. Interior is a stock style black interior. You have your standard bucket seats, your center console, and your floor shifter. The interior is an older interior, but still, again, represents nice throughout. The driver's seat has a little tear in the back side of it. The dash and the center console are original and have a little bit of age, but no major issues. Carpet shows well, and then the radio faceplate is actually missing, so it needs a new radio faceplate around it. The A-pillar trim on both sides is probably older, could be original, but it's got its age and some little repair spots in it. And then the only other disclaimer is the passenger side door lock has a little bit of an issue where it doesn't want to lock or unlock from the inside. You have to use the key on the outside. So some small things there, but nothing to really write home about either. The engine bay is a stock style engine bay outside of obviously the motor being replaced. You have an aftermarket aluminum radiator, and the AC has been converted to R134A. When you pop the hood, the engine bay looks really clean. It's very sanitary. Again, the AC is nice and cold. The engine bay is really clean front to back, and nothing is out of place or has any real issues. On the underneath, you have a small repair spot on the driver's side front floor pan. That fiberglass floor's got a small little repair job. I don't know what happened, if someone used a floor jack or what's going on there. But no issues. The bird cage is nice and solid. The spare tire is in place. The spare tire holder itself, like almost all of them, if they go over a speed bump, you get a little bit of a damaged spot on the front of the spare tire holder there. You'll see a photo of that in my additional informations tab, but again, the underneath is very nice and clean. Overall, it is a great running and driving Corvette convertible. The issues that it has are limited, just some smaller cosmetic stuff, but it's a great driving car. Has a nice, strong, small block in it. It's a good-looking car. I'm a huge fan of the orange with the white top with the black interior. kick the AC on, enjoy it with your other person sitting next to you on the passenger side there, and just go cruising with the top down. I'm always a huge fan of steel bumper vets, and this is definitely a good one. So as always, I appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of my virtual descriptions. Make sure you check out the test drive video along with the additional informations tab on my website, pcclassiccars.com. I'll catch you guys on the next video, and I hope you have a fantastic weekend.